Hello everyone, welcome to free Hmong lesson number 5. In today's lesson, we will go over the double consonants. In lesson 1, we went over the single consonants. Lesson 2, single vowels. Lesson 3, double vowels. Lesson 4, the tones. And today we'll be on the double consonants. We have a total of 23 double consonants, but we will just go over the first 11. And I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the consonants and then the word that we chose to go along with the consonants, and then I'm going to add the consonants with the vowels and the tones to give you meaningful words. Ja, ha, cha. Cha. This means bridge in both dialects, or it also means blanket in Green Hmong dialect, so it depends on the context. Da ha da, tia. This means to run in White Hmong dialect. Da la tla, tle. This means water in Green Hmong dialect. Ha la la, floor. It means rope for both dialects. Ha ma ma, mu. This means spear in White Hmong dialect. Ha na na, nu. This means sun in White Hmong dialect. Ka ha ka, ka. It means cup in both dialects. Ma la mla, mla. This means dent in Green Hmong dialect. Na jan ya, yo. This means to kick in both dialects. Na gong ga, ga. This means boat in both dialects. Na bom ba, boy. This means pig in both dialects. All right, let's go over one more time. Ja ha cha, cha. Da ha ta, tia. Da la tla, tle. Ha la la, floor. Ha ma ma, mu. Ha na na, nu. Ga ha ka, ka. Ma la mla, mla. Na jan ya, yo. Na gong ga, ga. Na bom ba, bo. All right, I'm going to add the consonants with the vowels and the tones to give you meaningful words. So I will try to explain between Green Hmong and White Hmong as much as I could. Ja ha cha, ja ha cha a gi sha ke, ja ha cha a gi shia ke. This means to sweep in both green and white. Ja ha cha I gi na ki, or ja ha cha I gi nia ki. This means to get mad or to be angry. Ja ha cha I gi du ki. This means flag in both dialects. Ja ha cha o gi chi mo lan chi cho, or ja ha cha o gi chi mo da chi cho. This means a place. Da ha ta, da ha ta a gi mu ta. This means to snatch off in White Hmong. Da ha ta wa gi gu tua. This means tired of it in White Hmong. Da ha ta au Ntxhee Yaaj. This means to pass. Da la tla a Ntxhee. This means far in Green Hmong. Da la tla a tla. This means spoon. Da la tla a tla. This means onion. Da la tla a tla. This means the color white. Ha la fla. Ha la fla a lo. This means beads. Ha la fla a la. This means to sharp. Ha la fla an lang. This means belt. Ha la fla a lo. This means to burn. Ha ma a ma. This means wolf or fox in White Hmong. Ha ma a ma. This means vine in White Hmong. Ha ma ma. This means dinner in White Hmong. Ha ma ong mong. This means dust, such as Hmong a means dust in White Hmong. Ha nan na. Ha nan na nia. This means teeth in White Hmong. Ha nan na na, to hear in White Hmong. Ha nan na nu. This means sun. Ha nan na ong nong. This means to cough. And ha nan na is only used in White Hmong dialect. Ga ha ka. Ga ha ka au kao, or ga ha ka au kao. This means shoes in White Hmong and Green Hmong dialects. Ga ha ka kia. This means to run in White Hmong dialect. Ga ha ka ki, or ga ha ka ki. This means to tie in both dialects. Ga ha ka a ke, or ga ha ka a ke. This means alligator in both dialects. Ma lam la. Ma lam la a la. This means idle in Green Hmong dialect. Ma lam la a la. This means dent in Green Hmong dialect. Na jan ya. Na jan ya a ye, or na jan ya a ye. This means mushrooms in both Green and White dialects. Na jan ya a ya. This means to miss in White Hmong dialect. Na jan ya u or na jan ya u. This means to steam in both Green and White dialects, or it also means to miss in Green Hmong dialect. Na jan ya ai na yai, or na jan ya ai nian yai. This means to depart in both dialects. Na ganga na gi, or na ganga nia gi. This means to waste in both dialects. Na ganga a ga. This means muddy in White Hmong dialect. Na ganga ikiningi. This means dry. Na ganga ikininga. This means to crawl in White Hmong dialect. If you use the double A, which is na ganga ikininga, this is the Green Hmong word for to crawl. Na bamba ikininga. This is a male cousin. Ba. Na bamba ikininga. This means flock in both dialects. Na bamba ikininga. This means to prepare in White Hmong dialect. The Green Hmong word for to prepare is na bamba ikininga. Na bamba ugishambu. This means dull, as in knife, in both dialects. Alright, this concludes lesson 5. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye!